Pawns.App Academy. In this video, we're discussing how to share your referral link and referral videos on WeChat. From sending to a friend to sharing in your moments, WeChat offers unique ways to connect. Let's explore them together. Send to a friend. Number 1. Open the app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Number 2. A drop-down menu will appear. It allows you to choose what you want to do. Click on the new chat option. Number 3. Find your friend or friends you want to share your referral link with. Select them and click on the Done button. Number 4. Paste your referral link and press Enter on your keyboard to send. Number 5. If you want to share a referral video, tap the plus icon and select Album. Number 6. Find your referral video in the gallery and tap it. Number 7. Add a description if you wish and enter to send it. Share on WeChat Moments. Number 1. Open your profile and click on Moments. Number 2. You will have to share a photo or video. Your photo could be a screenshot of your earnings. You can also use your referral video. Number 3. In the text field, write the text along with your referral link or video. Click the post when you're done. Number 4. Your referral link or video is now live and visible to your friends. Remember, if you're sharing a referral link, you should explain what Pawns.App is, how it works, and why it's worth joining. Don't forget to mention that Pawns.App pays $3 on top of everything you earn with our 3-step program. Step 1. Join Pawns.App through the referral program and get your $1 starting bonus right away. Step 2. Make your first withdrawal, and yes, there's another dollar waiting for you. Step 3. Withdraw again, and one more buck is in your balance. So you get $1 after completing each step and $3 in total for free.